Hawthorn effect is a very typical psychological effect in organization management. The workers in this experiment were exposed to different lighting environments to test their work productivity. The results have shown that the boost in productivity lies not in the lighting itself, but in the attention that the workers received in the experiment. This is one typical effect in play in the field of user testing. As the user testing environment is rarely natural, it is common to have some discrepancies between the user's performance and the actual outcome. Thus, it got me thinking about how we could better mimic the actual use scenario, where users would feel free, would feel more comfortable with less spotlight to perform more naturally. Please comment and let me know what are your thoughts on this. I hope this was helpful. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.